Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenant's Call. And in today's video, we are doing a BoohooMan Town Hall. So set your heart ablaze and let's get on with this video.
Wow, nice dude. Zip it, Stanley.
So yes guys, this is the parcel. As you can see, it's looking quite big, you know? So let's open it. Hopefully everything is there. Everything better be in there. Or otherwise I'm coming for you, Boohoo. And I am playing, okay? Just keep a mental note of that, alright? So yeah, basically the first thing I got is a big puffer jacket grating, you get me? Because man deals with gratings too, don't get it twisted. Then obviously I got a pair of trousers, you know, very classy. You can wear it with like a t-shirt, you know what I'm saying, and tuck it in. Then I got me two nice little shirts, you know, with dragon motives on it. What kind of folding is this, bruh? What a bumper clap, my head. Hope it's not too tight. This one too, you know. What are the dragons? Yeah. So yes, first let's try the jacket. This is the thing I've been looking forward to the most. Because I got a thing with like long jackets, you know. It's my little fixation at the moment, you know. And so far, so good. I don't think this is going to disappoint me. I mean, it better not disappoint me, you know. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go AWOL. I'm gonna have to go ballistic. And you don't want that to happen, do you? This is kind of big. Oh no, hell no. There's no way. Boohoo. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Because I'm not impressed. This looks like... What the hell is this one? You can't even see my arms in this. It looks like a plastic bag, bruh. But what the hell is this one? Or maybe is it supposed to be like that? Am I tripping? Let's close it out. Let's try to close it. It's even disappointing. I'm very disappointed. Look at this. I'm looking like some sumo, bruh. Yo, I look like a freaking penguin, bruh. But yeah, let's go on to the next one. Oh boy. I ain't even playing. This one, fellas, this is good. This is that good stuff I'm talking about. This is the good stuff. You know? This is what I'm talking about. I like this. The previous one was a no, and it's finna get returned. I ain't even trying to get another one like that, you know? Cause no, just no, you know? But this one right here, You must know this though. The material is very light. So I suggest you buy this for summer and summer only. If spring start creeping up, don't buy it. Don't use it in the spring. Only buy this if you're going somewhere warm, if it's summer or you're going like on a nice little vacation. Otherwise, no. But except from that, so yes guys, that's how it is. Let's go to the next one, right? I love the dragon film. Now this one right here, this one the real deal. Now you don't play with me, boy. You don't play with me. This one the real deal. You know, you see what it is. You know what it is. It's the real deal. Flowers and dragons. You get me? You can see the dragons and you can see the flowers. By the way, if you want one of these shades for your summer vacation, go down in the description and type CJ. Just click the link, you know what I'm saying? They got the best glasses ever, you know what I'm saying? So do your thing. You know, this is the real deal. This is the real deal, buddy. And you know it. You see me like that. Listen, that your girl better not look at me. I better not cross your path, cause your girl, she's gonna be mine, and they don't want none of that. My American accent is good. I know it. Anyways, let's go to the last and final one. Better not be disappointing. You know what's mad? At first, I wasn't really comfortable with this look. I had to find the right way of wearing it. But now that I kind of pulled it off, I kind of like it. You know? It's different. It's original. Nobody has this style. I mean, some people do, but you know, it is what it is. I'm from the hood, you know, but this is more like a cartelita type of vibe. Let me try it with a pouch. I think a little pouch. Yeah, it looks calm, you know. You rub this little watch. Everything is blessed, calm, looking all good, looking all cool, you know. Little messenger bag. You know, I'm still young and handsome. What do you want? Yeah, I like this. Now actually, at first I didn't rock with this here, but I do rock with it now. God damn, this is straight. Because I believe y'all need to see this. What do you think of these glasses? CJ shades too. This is the real deal. Don't let anybody convince you that it's not. So, yes guys, the video is over. And the conclusion is this. I don't think I'm ready to buy any more jacket from BoohooMan. For real, I'm just going to return this and I'm buying no more jackets. However, the rest was on pants. The trousers, I had to be a bit creative and get creative, then go back to the basics. And eventually I liked it, you know what I'm saying? So guys, make sure you like, subscribe and share. The link to all these items will be down in the description. Make sure you... I already said that, what the hell am I on? Good night guys. Good morning. Have a good one. Stay blessed.